The real cost of owning a home in Denver beyond the mortgage. Hello, it's Closset here, your local real estate expert here in Denver, Colorado. When most people think about buying a home, they focus on one number, the monthly mortgage payments. But there's the serious reality of it all. There's way more to that. Your mortgage is just the beginning. Between property taxes, insurance, utilities, maintenance, the true cost of home ownership in Denver can be significantly higher than what your actual loan estimate is. And if you're not prepared for these expenses, they can catch up to you and really kind of blow you away. In today's video, I'm going to break down the real cost of owning a home in Denver, all the expenses beyond the mortgage payment that you need to budget for as a homeowner in the Mile High City. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or moving up to a larger home, understanding these costs will help you make smarter financial decisions. Let's get started. Property taxes, higher than you think. Colorado's property taxes might seem reasonable compared to states like Texas and New Jersey, but Denver, they all basically add up quickly. The Denver rate, property taxes in the Denver County are approximately 0.5 to 0.6% of your house's assessed value annually, but that can vary by neighborhood and district. Real numbers. On a $600,000 home, you're looking at roughly $3,000 to $3,600 per year, or about $250 to $300 per month on top of your mortgage. Reassessments. Colorado reassesses property values every 2 years. If your home's value increases significantly, which has been common lately in Denver, your tax bill goes up too. Always confirm the exact property tax amount for any home that you're considering. And remember, it's not included in your base mortgage calculation unless you escrow those. Okay, number 2, homeowners insurance, protecting your investment. Homeowners insurance is a non-negotiable. Your lender requires it and you absolutely need it. Average cost in Denver, expected to pay between $1,200 to $2,000 per year for the standard homeowners policy, depending on your home's value, age, and location, of course. Wildfire and hail considerations. Colorado homes face unique risk. If you're in a high-risk wildfire area or your neighborhood's prone to hail damage, your premiums can be significantly higher. Flood insurance. Standard policies don't cover flooding. If you're near a creek or a washout or a floodplain, you may need a separate flood insurance policy, which can add another $500 to $1,500 annually. Budget for insurance as a monthly expense typically runs about $100 to $175 per month, and it protects you from catastrophic financial loss. Number 3, HOA fees, the hidden monthly cost. If you're buying a condo, a townhome, or even a home in a planned community, homeowners association fees are part of the package. Typically, Denver HOA fees range from about $100 to $500 per month, depending on, of course, what's included. Some cover landscaping, snow removal, exterior maintenance. Others include amenities like pools, gyms, and security. Here's another one for you. Special assessments. HOAs can levy special assessments for major repairs and improvements, like repaving roads or replacing roofs. This can cost thousands and come up with really little or no warning at all. Read the fine print, I must tell you. Before you buy, review the HOA financial health, rules, and fee history. A poor managed HOA can drain your wallet and limit your freedom. Don't dismiss HOA fees as a small. Over time, they can add up to tens of thousands of dollars. Number 4, utilities. Denver's climate means higher bills. Denver's weather extremes, hot summers, cold winters, of course with low humidity, which really impact your utility costs year-round. Heating costs. Winter heating bills can run $150 to $300 per month, especially in older homes with poor insulation and inefficient furnaces. Cooling costs. While Denver summers are milder than most places, running AC during the heat waves can still add up to roughly $100 to $200 per month on peak sunny days. Water and sewer. Denver's semi-arid climate means water conservation is important, but you'll still pay $50 to $100 per month for water and sewer, especially if you're watering your lawn. Trash and recycle. Budget another $20 to $40 per month for waste services, depending on your provider and, of course, your neighborhood. Total utility costs can easily add an extra $250 to $500 per month to your budget, depending on the season and your home's efficiency. Number 5, maintenance and repairs. The 1% rule. Here's a rule of thumb every homeowner should know. Budget 1% of your home's value annually for maintenance and repairs. What does that mean? On a $600,000 home, budget roughly around $6,000 per year or $500 per month to set aside for upkeep. Common Denver repairs: HVAC systems, roof repairs from hail damage, sprinkler system maintenance, driveway sealing, and gutter cleaning are all regular expenses in this climate. Emergency fund. Things break, water heaters fail, furnaces stop working in January. You need a cushion for unexpected repairs that can cost thousands of dollars. Unlike renting, you can't call the landlord when something goes wrong. The financial responsibility is entirely yours. Number 6, landscaping and snow removal. Year-round outdoor costs. Denver's 300 days of sunshine are amazing, but maintaining your outdoor spaces takes time and money. Lawn care. If you have a yard, you'll spend on fertilizer, weed control, aeration, watering. Professional lawn care services run roughly $50 to $150 per month, depending on the growing season. Snow removal. Denver gets snow, there's no doubt about it. Sometimes a lot of it. If you can't afford or you don't want to shovel yourself, snow removal services basically charge anywhere from $30 to $75 per visit. And on heavier winter days, it can even cost more. Sprinkler systems. Many Denver homes have underground irrigation systems. Springtime activation and fall winterization cost roughly $75 to about $150 every time they come out to service your system. So really, these seasonal costs can really add up quickly, especially if you value your weekends and prefer to hire professionals. Final thoughts. So what's the real cost of owning a home in Denver beyond the mortgage? Here's a quick little recap. Property taxes, add in an extra $250 to $300 per month. Homeowners insurance, roughly $100 to $175 per month. HOA fees ranging from $100 to $500 per month. Utilities, $250 to $500 per month. And then maintenance and repairs, requiring, roughly $500 per month in savings as your little cush pad. Landscaping and snow removal, adding seasonal costs year-round. So when you add it all up, owning a $600,000 home in Denver can easily cost you an extra $1,200 to $2,000 per month on top of your mortgage payment. If you're thinking about buying a home in Denver and you want to make sure that you're financially prepared for the full picture, I'd love to help you out with these numbers. Explore your options and find the home that fits your budget and your lifestyle. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and reach out to me anytime. I'm available. Again, I'm Closset, and I'll see you on the next video.